Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to offer free shipping if the order exceeds a certain amount in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the cart subtotal condition. So first, we'll search for cart subtotal in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination or Select Essential 2 combination to continue. For this example, we choose less than and set $50. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when cart subtotal is less than $50. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my existing shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart subtotal is more than $50. Now let's go back to the cart page and reduce some items quantity, so our cart subtotal is less than $50. Go to the checkout page again and check. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how you can show free shipping when order exceeds a certain amount. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!